What's going on, guys? So on this roof I am using the hand seamer. This is a 70 square roof, but my boss did not get a robot to help us seam it. This is a hand seamer. I go really slow so that I don't damage the panels. I also don't put all my weight on it when I'm seaming it. I've seen heavier guys just destroy panels, the seam, because they put too much weight on it. But now that I'm all finished seaming it up, I can go back and start putting on my Z-bar. Usually I will place the Z-bar in the spot where it needs to go, and my buddy will follow me and screw in the Z-bars that I place. Oops, wrong spot. Had to put it in the right spot. Placed it right there. Boom. One thing you want to make sure you do is put caulk up the seam of each standing seam rib where the Z-bar butts up to the standing seam rib. But yeah, definitely like and subscribe. Check me out.